What up? Trader Gliz back. Um, I've been inactive, not really, but kinda. I was supposed to make a video like 2 days ago, but I am studying for finals and stuff, so lots of stress, lots of partying with the Jerrys, so not really stuff I can control, just things that happen, things I gotta do. Um, so here's what the Nasdaq's looking at right now. We're trading at all-time highs nearly. We're sitting right here, and tomorrow's a big day because we could. I do think we'll probably drop off a little bit, but then possibly continue trading with this support. So maybe like drop off to here in the next few days, or we could see a big day tomorrow and break through all time highs. Here's what the ES looks looking like. Pretty similar chart. Wait, is that not what I just had up? Okay, the charts look exactly the same, pretty much. But yeah, let's get into this. Some of the stocks I'm looking at. Um, First stock is Celsius, CELH, and I like this. I bought shares pretty recently, and this is why I like this stock. On the 10-year chart, the monthly chart, we are back at this key support level that we tested, forming this little cup and handle pattern. We tested this level, what year was that? In 2023. And then after we tested that, we made a run all the way up to 100, multiple hundreds of percent. So I'll be holding these shares for a while, maybe add to my position. But short term, I like this because I do think so. We tested the support, we bounced off of it, and we've been trading in this little channel right here. So if we break out of this short term, I think this stock is gonna like run. Once we get over this 60-day 50-day moving average, that's when the breakout's gonna happen. It's gonna cross over this most likely, and we're gonna see a big freaking run. So I'm ready for that. I'm actually gonna add my shares. I'm not in a position yet. I might get in one tomorrow just to like kind of jump the gun. I know it's not smart, but FOMO, I don't want to miss out. Um, Next stock is Boeing. I picked this stock because my boy Dale loves Boeing, or so I've heard. This is what I like about Boeing. Similar, I like to cross verify from different time levels. So here we are on the 10-year again. I like looking at this level a lot, or this time period. The monthly chart, we're at this support. We use it 1, 2, 3, and now we're sitting at it 4 times. And at first I thought we were gonna break below, but buyers stepped up, and we did reclaim that support. So we're at that support level there, and then short term. So originally I had this trend line sitting like this, which honestly it could still be valid like that, but I put it just like this because um, we actually rejected off of this level, this $160 level. But I do think still I'm in calls. I'm down a little bit on it. My ad probably not because like I don't have that much money. I have a lot in my actual assets. I don't have a lot of buying power right now. But I do think short term we have this tiny little gap, 10%. I think that'll cover no time. I'm in 170 calls, and for January, and I might even roll them over depending on how well this does. But first stop right here, 170. I might get tempted to sell. And then I might open another position, but just farther out again. And next level that we'll see is this like 190-ish, 195-ish level, kind of that rough area. And then if we break through this, if we get this momentum before New Year's, which we very easily could, I think we can fill this gap. It sounds crazy now, but I do think we'll fill this 240 gap eventually. And then long term, I'm certain that Boeing is going to recover. They don't have very many competitors, but I do think long term we'll see this 265 level again. Um, so that's that. Next stock I like is Oracle. Um, Obviously made a crazy run after earnings, but this is what I like. It's actually on the 4-hour chart. Um, Break and retest. Favorite pattern to trade. Uh, we use this as resistance here. Broke back above, and now we're back trading. Look, the buyers absolutely love this. So buyers stepped up here. Also on the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour chart. Use that as a support. So we have two things to cross-reference. I always love being able to cross-reference my reasoning, I guess, for why I want to enter a position. And also making these videos helps me because it makes sure that I stick to like having a good reason to enter a trade. Honestly, Foot Locker, terrible day to day. This is just like I just kind of impulsively did that, and looking back on it, it was not a good trade. I'm gonna exit that likely tomorrow morning. Oh sorry, I was on Oracle, but this one, this is what I see. We also have this little thing here which we're breaking out of, kinda. So price target, all-time highs, if not higher up. I don't even think I need to show you guys what happened. Like the last couple times we've traded this, like I don't even want to look at it myself because I exited way too early. But last time, break, retest on Palantir at the $30 level. My lord. Don't want to talk about that. Same thing with on cloud. Yeah, so much stuff. Break, retest. Like it's just this method is just there's so many examples that just show. And also, I'll forget all that. All right, Crocs. Next stop. Sorry, I was going on a little tangent. Crocs called this out a little while ago, up almost 150% on it, almost maybe a little more. But we're in this pattern here. This is the exact same type of trade I made on Win. 1, 2, 3, 4 times the resistance. Then made a big move up after retesting it. I'm still looking at Win also, waiting for this level to break. But Crocs, I do think we have this cross-referencing. So, boom, 50-day moving average, and boom, this trend line. And we broke through this level here that I have in this little gray box. We broke through that, which was a key level. User resistance before. And I do think we're going to keep running, fill this gap. 135, no time. I have 115 calls expiring in January, so those have plenty of time. Like, this stock is going to keep running. And then I'll talk about Disney. Disney, we made a crazy run up, crazy reaction to earnings. I think it's too much of a reaction that we continued up this high. But hold on. Sorry, I didn't really look at this that much. This is not okay. So we're at this resistance now, from over here, and it looks like we're starting to slow down, and we're oversold heavily on the RSI. Last time we were this high oversold was up here, and obviously we made a crazy move downwards. But I don't think I would hold that long. I'd probably get out 110-ish level. But I don't even know if I'm going to enter in this. This is just an idea. If other people like this more than I do. Other stock, Fubo. I like this. I think I'm a little late on it, but I wanted to enter in this down here, but I never did. I don't really know why. I guess I was busy. It's up about 10%. There's still room to make money. I would go into this with shares. I think you could give back to this level here. I've traded this one time before. But yeah, I made a little bit of money off of that. Next stop, Chipotle. Break and retest. And then also we're in this little uptrending channel. I don't love this play. I like it. So that's just an idea. I don't know if I haven't talked about Lululemon. I like Lululemon too. I think that this is just going to continue running, make about an 8% move upwards. And Abercrombie and Fitch, this still looks like it wants to break out. We keep getting big moves and then big pullbacks intraday. And then I think this is the final stock I'm gonna talk about. I want to show you guys Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, since I called it out, made a big 12% move, but I didn't enter. I didn't get into a position. Been busy, like I said, but this level is just too good to pass up. I would enter. I always say I would. I just have so much money that's already in assets and it's not liquidated. But this is a great time to enter in Dollar Tree. I've been talking about this for like 2-3 weeks now. I just great price. Obviously, Dollar Tree's likely not going anywhere, and long term, 150% is guaranteed. If you want to make some free money, there you are. All right, last stock, kind of really really random. Hold on, I want to see. I haven't even looked at this, but actually I probably have back in the day. Okay, yeah, I definitely did. Um, all right, big level. Let's just go to the max available. Why not? All right, yeah. So big level. We use this as a resistance once, and now we're sitting at it again. iRobot. Who owns iRobot anymore? Like, what the heck is this company? I don't know. I just have some sort of weird GameStop feeling with this. I might just like throw some money on it, play around because I do actually really like the chart. This is what I see. We're in this little triangle pattern. We used this support the one time like 20 years ago, and then 1, 2, 3 times now. And once this 200-day moving average and 50-day moving average cross over each other with a little bit of momentum, and if people start to see this, like the earnings, like I don't know if I'm tripping, but those earnings look good. Beating estimates by a lot, and year over year you can see like how they've improved. But also, I don't know. I just have a weird GameStop feeling about this. Uh, we have this gap to fill, 175% away, but I kind of do like this. And then who knows? Maybe GameStop type move, all time highs, $200. You never know. So, it's your boy signing off, Trader Gliz, aka Next Roaring Kitty. I like the company, so yeah, tap in iRobot 2025, going diabolical. Shout out Dale. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.